Okay, we have poured a third of the batter in and smoothed it around with the spatula. We've laid the ribbons. Now we're going to put a healthy dose of the cinnamon so that you have the swirl. And you want to make sure that it's covered in an even layer. And that it goes all the way around. Just like that. Okay, and now we're going to add some more batter inside. You want your batter to pour like ribbons. After your ribbons are poured, you want to smooth that batter around just like that. And go in with your spray. Go back in with your ribbons.
And now it's time to get ready to get this puppy in the oven. You are going to want to bake this cake from anywhere from an hour to 20 to an hour and 30 minutes.
Because we're using a dark pan, you want to bake at 325, in between 325 to 350 for about an hour and 20 to an hour and 30 minutes.
The glass finish that I'm going to put on this cake is going to seal the deal. It's going to keep every single slice moist. Okay? This cake is going to cut clean and keep people coming back for more.
Time to check the cake. That's one area. That's two areas. Now 3 is a charm. And we are ready to come out. Now let it cool for 20 minutes. And my heart.
This is one of those cakes you don't want to rush. You let it cool, you let it settle, and you let the flavors finish talking to each other. What you're seeing here isn't just a swirl, it's a cinnamon ribbon baked all the way through a true pound cake. That glass finish is intentional. It sets, it seals, and it keeps every slice moist. And this is the part I always pay attention to the next day. If a cake still cuts clean, still tastes right, people keep coming back for another slice, that's when you know that cake right.